Hello everyone, my name is Gitanjali Baban Gaikwad and I am from GH Raisoni College of Engineering and Technology. My group members are Aarti Dhawad, Snehal Bhairat and Shubhangi Shinde. Our guide name is Miss Sonali ma'am and we have done the mini project of SEPM and our topic name is Employee Leave Management System. Employee Leave Management System is an online system dedicated for various employee working in an organization. The employee can easily apply for leave for a special time of period. Higher authority can easily accept project their leave request, and also the previous record of leave request are also stored in that system. Now in this we have used means all projects we have used the front end and the back end. What is mean by front end and back end? Front end means web designing and the back end means web development. Like front end जो होता है वो हमारा ब्राउज़र पे दिखता है, उसमें लैंग्वेजेस लाइक HTML CSS और जावास्क्रिप्ट से आते हैं, और बैकएंड जो होता है वो सर्वर पे चलता है लाइक PHP एंड in this video I gonna show how to create this project. First we install the XAMPP and you can see I am already installed, so it is directly open. In this this is modules Apache and MySQL. We use only two, so we start first and second MySQL. I have already started, so it is seen like a stop. I have already started. Now we are going to browse. Here is my all database. This file name we are save elms name, it is file name, and in structure all the tables are here. Our tables are all here. Now first table is admin. Now in admin, this is our admin table. This is our admin table. It is like ID, username, password and updation. ID and password used for login. For to write a leave application, when means employee need username and password. So in that all the password and all. Second table is department table. Second table is department table. In that department table, department names are here like human resources, information operation. This is department name and it is the short name, department name. Department code, here is department code and creation date. Now the third table is employee table. In that employee table, first is employee ID, then employee's name, last name, email ID and password. We need email ID and password to send the leave application or mail to company or director, or this is then the next table is table leave. In this table leave we show the leave types, means casual leave, medical leave, restricted holiday and all. Now date means leave कितने दिनों तक था, too late, from date. Description, in this description reasons are there. Then posting date, admin remark, and the leave table. last table is leave type. In this leave type, which type of leave we want, means employee want. The types are causal, medical, restricted. Which type of leave employee want from the higher authority. Then the higher authority easily accept or reject their leave request. So in this table ऑल द जो हमारा डेटाबेस है वो सब यहाँ पर है. ऑल द डेटाबेस आर हेयर स्ट्रक्चर और एसक्यूएल एंड नाउ आवर ब्राउज पेज इज हेयर. लाइक ये हमारा आउटपुट आएगा. जैसे वेलकम टू एम्प्लॉय लीव मैनेजमेंट मीन्स एम्प्लॉय का लॉगिन आईडी और पासवर्ड यहाँ से साइन होगा. And that's it. Here is our database ELMS and here is our output, that is employee login, and here employee can write the leave application and send to higher authorities. Then higher authorities decided to about leave. That's it.